Hello everyone. Let's find out how to install Notepad++ and how to use it for writing a program in Python. Before that, let me tell you one thing. Using a code editor like Notepad++ or any other code editor, you have a lot of advantages over the other programming tools, such as they are lightweight, editing and modifying your code is much faster in code editors as compared to the other programming tools. After writing your program and saving in the text editor, while compiling and running it into a command prompt, it gives you actually a true sense of programming. Another important feature is that they don't have auto completion feature. So when you write some code, you have to taught yourself what to write on the next line of the code, and you commit mistakes. A lot of errors and bugs arise in your program. Analyzing and fixing these bugs improve your debugging skills, and the process of learning and mastering any programming language goes to another level. So let's find out how to install Notepad++. To install Notepad++, just type Notepad++ install. So this link appears and just click over this. You will end up to this page. Here you can see there are so many versions of Notepad++, and depending on your machine which kind of operating system you are using, just try to find out. As I'm using Windows, so these all versions are for Windows only. Just click over this. Now here you can see the 32-bit version is available, and here 64-bit version is available. Now depending on your operating system, you can download as per your requirement. As my machine has 64 bits, so I'll just click on this. To see, it's a very small size setup, so that's why code editors are very light in use. They don't take much of your system's memory. If you are using a Linux system, then you can just type Notepad++ for Linux, and here you can see in this link you can find out how to install Notepad++ in your Linux machine. If you are using Mac, you can just type Mac and just click enter. You will find this how to install in a Mac machine. As I am using Windows, so let's go to find out the setup in my download section. Yeah, here it is, and just double click over it. Now see, just click OK and just click on next. Just click on I agree. Next, just next. Yes, I want to create a shortcut on my desktop. Just click install. So after getting installed, when you click on finish, it gets started automatically. Let's see. Now this is the window that appears after it gets installed. Now I have to make a new file for my Python code. Just click on file, click on new. A new window gets opened up, and I want to type a sample code in Python. Just type again print hello world and just save it. I'm saving this file as hello world. Just click .py as the extension. Just see, when you are saving this file as .py extension, you just find this print gets automatically highlighted because this is a reserved keyword in Python. If you again just type print, yeah, you can find out it is automatically giving some prompts. So when you just save this file as a .py extension, you will find the reserved keywords getting highlighted automatically. As you all know that Python is a dynamic typed interpreted language, so that's why it automatically prompts you whether you are writing a right word or you are writing some wrong word. You can find out simultaneously. So now I just want to execute this file. Then go to command prompt and just go to cd desktop. We'll go to desktop and the file name is hello world.py. Just type python space hello world.py and click enter. Just see, it is printing hello world. So this is a way how to execute a code editor file. Now later on we will see how to write some more code in Python. That's all for now. We will meet in the next video. Bye bye.